Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel pump. This is an ML, it's a 350, it's a 2007, this will apply to 207 to 211, it will apply to other models of GL. So guys, you open the passenger side, the rear passenger, then there's this hook here, like kind of strap, you pull it out. When you pull it guys, the chair just opens up to the front. This seat right here guys goes to the front. Once that happens guys, below it is this cover. You just unclip it, or just like you push it up, and then down in there guys you can see this aluminum thing, which is in a circle. So guys, down below here guys we have a fuel pump. So guys, first things first, make sure guys, if you want, make sure you clean this area before you proceed. I know mine is like a little bit dirty, but I'm just gonna proceed with this. So guys, you look for something like a flat Phillips, and then you try to pry from the side. But now guys, I just realized this flat Phillips is not gonna work, so I'm gonna look for something a bit curvy, and then maybe with a hammer, and then I'm gonna hit it from the side guys, gently, until I get enough space to put my hand, and then just to rip it out, like to just like pull it up. So guys, you look for a hammer, just like a hammer, and then you just hit it gently. Alright guys, I don't know what Mercedes were thinking when they made this thing. So this is it. So I just hold from here, I just pull it. So once you pull it like that guys, you see the thing that's holding it back, the glue. Is this white thing right here.
This crazy person makes so did all shit together.
It's really crazy guys, the way it is. So down here guys we have our fuel pump just in between here. So we just disconnect this connector. So you just press it like that, and then you pull it back. You should be able to open it up. There guys, once it's our way, you just push it on the side, because guys we need enough space here when we start to work on our fuel pump, when you're trying to get it out. So guys, it's proving tough for me to put somewhere. Just take your time, just make sure that thing like just sits somewhere well. Alright, so guys, here we are. So guys, you can't use something to hit it, because the position where it is guys is too low. So you have to look for like kind of a special tool, just like this one right here, and then make sure guys you adjust it very well, so that this thing can fit on both sides, like can just like align it well. And then I'm gonna use a 14mm just to get this thing to just open it up from that position right there. So the 14mm guys is gonna play a big role to just turn it out like that. So I just adjusted it well, and then I'm gonna use guys a ratchet. Then I'm just gonna turn it anti-clockwise. So guys, opening up is anti-clockwise. It's a bit tough guys, so you just apply some pressure. So but once you just like break it up, it's gonna be easy to just pull it out. So I don't really need to worry about it guys. So it's just gonna come out just like that. You don't have any problems. That once that comes out like that, you can just pull it by itself like the way it is. Then you take it out guys like that, and then that thing comes out, and just like that, it won't be having any problems. So what happened guys, after that we just take out the top part of our fuel pump, and then we have these two connectors. So guys, I'm gonna just pull it out. It's a bit tough, tight, and then I'll show you how it comes out. So guys, this is the first connector. You just press on the corner, then it just releases. And then the other one too, you do the same thing. You just press on the corner just like that, and then releases it out. So this is where it's coming from. And then guys, there's this guide right here. You make sure guys you get these things out from here, because guys we want this top to just come out like that, and then we can just put it on the side. And then once the top is out guys, we can be able guys to just work on the remaining part of the pump. So once that is done, guys, there are three hoses. This is the fuel hose. You don't really need to take out all of them, but just for this case, guys, I'm going to show you why. You just take them out. They're not three, guys, they're like four. This is the one which you just unclip. This one right here, you just press it in and then you pull it up. That one faces up. So once that is done, guys, you go back to you go back down there and then you just pull up these fuel hoses on the sides. You just apply some little pressure and then this thing should just be able to just come out without any problems, guys. So once that is done, guys, you don't have anything hold it up, so you just pull it up like that. And then make sure, guys, when you're pulling up, be careful of the gas. Just make sure you drain the gas back. Don't just pour it all over the place, because, guys, eventually at the end of the day your car is gonna be smelling like gas or crazy. So you just need to just pull it gently and then let the gas just drain back to the tank. And then, guys, you just pull it from the side like that, and then this is how it's gonna come out with this filter right here, which is just in below here. So, guys, you see the part I was telling you about, the lower part right there. So it's just connected, it's just one big part. So once you just disconnect like that, guys, this thing just comes out easy. So, guys, the part of this thing is this. We have this thing like a level sensor thing. It is for the level sensor for the fuel. And then, guys, this is the rest of the part of the fuel pump. So literally, guys, that's how easy it is to pull out a fuel pump from Mercedes. It's an ML, but applies also to GL. So just make sure, guys, you check it out. So, guys, you do everything in reverse, and then hope this drive safe out there. See you next time.